Bright Future proved its potential to get through a difficult situation without pulling out support to its beneficiaries. Keeping in mind the commitment to our youth in the 12 communities we were working in, we started to work differently to the same goals. We immediately converted our existing 3-month skilling program online with the help of a skilling app to assist facilitators. We virtually reached 500 youth and engaged them in employability skill sessions through videos, group WhatsApp discussions, innovative activities, and mock interviews. All this through the internet and phone network. We also rolled out the career goal setting assistance through the phone. Our facilitators interacted with 3,400 young people, listened to their dreams, and discussed careers they were interested in, and helped them articulate specific steps to achieve them. Use this opportunity to refresh or build our team's capacities. We organized an internal training cum sharing session to discuss best practices to enhance online learning. We also participated in 3 others by experts in the field on compassionate counseling and placement strategies. Virtual employee engagement activities during this time were held to wind down and end the week on a high and yet connected note. Some unusual innovative activities and even homework was planned by the teams, and they always ended with a smile on our face. While COVID-19 has threatened our lives, the lockdown has further numbed the country. Bright Future set up a team to work for those affected. Mission Rahat. Since April 1st, Mission Rahat has reached 32,000 families all over Mumbai and its outskirts, assisting new mothers, elderly, critically ill patients, stranded migrant workers, specially abled girls, and the LGBT community. 84% of the families were identified by our alumni in the communities. These young people, we call change leaders, oversee the distribution of ration kits and hygiene essentials to each of the families using protective gear and a lot of motivation. It has not been easy, but definitely worthwhile. And we ourselves have realized we are actually stronger than we thought we were.